जय श्रीमन्नारायण 152nd नामं from श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामम्। ओम पुनर्वसवे नमः। हो श्रीमन्नारायण, I realize that you are the one who indwells in all the creatures which is created by you. Also, O Srimannarayana, you indwells in great entities like Brahma, Rudra, Indra, and help them do their duties. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Punarvasave Namaha. Om Punarvasave Namaha. With meditation upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sri Ramachandra Swami consoling Sitamma, Sri Ramachandra Swami trying to convince Sitamma not to go along with him into forest. Ramachandra Swami explaining, Sita, just remove the thought of coming along with me to the Aranyavasam. Remove that thought from your mind. I am telling you for your well-being. O Sita, I am not at all thinking that you would be a burden to me. Not like that. But I am stopping you because it is so painful. There will be so many troubles, problems in forest. O Sita, there will be so many wild and cruel animals like lions, elephants, tigers. We will have to cross several rivers. In the rivers there will be crocodiles. There will be so much mud. There will be so many elephants. All the paths, no path will be so smooth. All the pedestrian paths will be filled up with so many, all the stones and so many bad things. O Sita, whatever the leaves, after they dry, when they fall down on the earth, that is what is going to be a bedding for us to sleep in the nights. We will not have any other special bedding. O Sita, whatever the fruits that falls off from the trees, those are the fruits for food for us. We will not have any special food. If there are no fruits available like that, we will have to fast that day. O Sita, we will have to wear matted hair. We will have to wear naravastras while living in the forest. Sita, we have to be doing pujas to devatas. We have to be doing pujas to Pitrudevatas. And there come several guests like sages, munis. So we have to do that Atidhi Puja also. According to the scriptures, we have to be fulfilling all these duties on top of all the troubles that we face in the forest. Sita, every day we have to take 3 times bath. Sita, we have to go here and there and collect beautiful flowers, and then we have to be doing so much puja. Just like great rishis, we have to be doing every day Bhagavadaradhana. Oh Sita, in those dense forests, there will be tornadoes, there will be so much of wind, and in the nights it will be very, very dreadful. In addition to all this, Sita, every day we will feel so much hungry. Oh Sita, on the earth, in the pedestrian ways, there will be big, big snakes going here and there, and all other animals like flies and all those things, all those creatures will be troubling us so much. Sita, even while going through so much of pain, we should not be feeling any kind of upset, any kind of angry. These are all the rules we have to be observing while living in the forest. That is why, oh Sita, whatever that I am explaining is very, very little. There will be so many other troubles. That is why I am asking you not to go along with me. Like that, when Ramachandra Swami said, while Sita Devi, while crying a lot, she is not even thinking about, she is not even regarding what Rama explaining. She is not at all thinking about all that, what Rama is explaining. All that she is doing is, she is crying and saying that, oh Rama, if I am right next to you, I am giving you an assurance that wild animals, cruel animals, no animal will trouble you. I am giving you an assurance that if I am right next to you, what to talk about these animals? Not even Devendra can trouble you, Rama. To that extent, I will be offering my protection to you. Let me be right next to you. You will be safe. Like that, Sitamma sentimentally influencing Rama and also saying that, oh Rama, when I was in my mother's home in Mithila, there used to be the several astrologers come to palace. So several astrologers, they said that according to my Jatakam, I have a Vanavasam in my Jatakam, so I have to be living in the forest. Anyway, that forest, that Aranyavasam is there in my Jatakam. So let me just fulfill that Aranyavasam right now along with you. Like that, Sitamma is trying to convince Rama in several ways. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 16th sloka. Bhrajishnuh bhojanam bhokta sahishnuh जगदादिजः अनघो विजयो जेता विश्वयोनिः पुनर्वसुः। ओम सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण। ओम पुनर्वसवे नमः। ओम पुनर्वसवे नमः। ओम पुनर्वसवे नमः।